This is the second property. It's got like maybe 20 by 50 or 15 by 50 or something like that. Anyway, they got a ton of little tiny stumps and roots everywhere. They want it grinded and leveled all out. They got a ton of concrete, a ton of bricks, a ton of rocks all inside of there too. We're gonna pull out most of that and then get to the grinding portion. It was pretty easy grinding it. Most of that stuff's just small, so I crushed it, ran through, maybe all the grinding and